मशीन लर्निंग में की थ्योरी में आपका स्वागत है। मैंने पहले आपको 4 प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट बताए थे। जस्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग द मशीन लर्निंग। सो कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज देयर बाय programmatically download and analyze data, learn data visualizations, master the art of data analysis by using IPython notebook, Jupyter Python notebook, gain insight into the role of machine learning engineer, explain machine learning, work with industry based data, learn the tools and techniques for predictive modeling, discuss machine learning algorithm and their implementations, validate machine learning algorithm. These are the basic objectives we learn today. Demonstrate time series and its related concept. Now our outline is there. You can see that this is the demonstrate where I will teach you about the machine learning. First one, introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning, data wrangling and manipulations, supervised learning regressions, features engineering, supervised learning classifications, unsupervised learning, time series modeling, ensemble learning, recommender systems and text mining will learn today. So all of you just listen and be patient. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'll talk today what about the machine learning tools and the things, how can we use machine learnings. These are the best on the machine learnings. So now our prerequisites में अपना जो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम आएगा, prior knowledge of the following domains and technology is helpful. सो लीनियर एल्जेब्रा, स्टैटिक्स और पाइथन, यानी पाइथन के अंदर जो मशीन लर्निंग अपन यूज करेंगे तो आपको 2 थिंग्स यू नो वेरी वेल इन बोथ एल्जेब्रा, लीनियर एंड स्टैटिक्स. इट्स वेरी यूजफुल टू द डोमिनेंट टेक्नोलॉजी. फॉर पाइथन यू वांट टू लर्न एवरीथिंग शुड बी डिपेंड ऑन स्टैटिक्स, डेटा एंड इक्वेशंस. Now our project highlighted is you can skill covered जो होगी numerical analysis, machine learning algorithm, text analysis, data visualization technique, data wrangling, scalable machine learning models. So आपने IDB देखा होगा, arrive at an income qualification model for Inter-American Development Bank with respect to some of the world poorest families. Amazon develop auto access model for Amazon employee access challenge. Uber design algorithm for Uber that will tell the fare to charge on the passenger on taxi. So these all 3 things developed by the AI with machine learning. And one is tackle the course of dimensionally and reduce the time the cars spend on the test bench of Mercedes Benz. का भी जो सिस्टम है वो भी कहीं ना कहीं ML से रिकनेक्ट होता है. Now machine learning, introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is the tools we are using, the techniques. Now concept cover machine learning techniques and application of machine learning. Learning objective is define artificial intelligence and understand its relationship with data. Define ML and understand the relationship with AI and data science. Understand machine learning approaches and identify the application of machine learning. These are the objectives we learn today. Now introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Topic 1, emergence of AI. So कैसे हुआ इसका emergence? How? So first one is data economy. In 2009 you can see that, and 2020 data volume increases. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, these are the tools they are using to AI. 44 zettabyte of data by 2020, 44x in 11 years. So explosion of data has been given rise to a new economy, and there is a constant battle for ownership of data between enterprises to derive benefits from it. So sim analyzer analysis, you can see that. Now emergence of AI. So science associated with data is going toward a new paradigm where one can teach machines to learn from data and derive a variety of useful insight, giving rise to artificial intelligence. Now definition of AI. Artificial intelligence refers to intelligence displayed by machine that simulate human and animal intelligence. So that means artificial AI refers to a intelligence, a display machine similar to human and animal intelligence. Now practice on AI. AI is redefining industries by providing greater personalizations to users and automatic process. Self-driving car, automatic chess, Siri, Amazon Echo, Alexa, that means Google AlphaGo, and concierge robot from IBM Watson. So these are the practice of AI we are using. Now sci-fi movies with the concept of AI, scikit-learn. So few AI films spanned through the decades that reflect the ever-changing spectrum of our emotions regarding the machines we have created. The Terminator series is also in AI. The Guardian, Morgan, Star Trek, and Ex Machina. So these are the tools we are going, the technology we are using AI. Now data facilities and recommendations. Amazon collects data from users and recommends the best product according to the user buying shopping pattern. Suppose you buy this type of book, so Amazon every time just give the notification when new book is arrived. Now introduction to AI and machine learning. Second topic is relationship between AI, ML and data science. AI for artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. So relationship between AI, ML and data science. Relationship between AI, ML and data science. Even though the terms data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence fall in the same domain and are connected to each other, they have their specific application and meanings. Okay, just understand the data science. Data, features, insight, predictions and actions. These are the 5 points. So transformation, if data is here, unsupervised learning, features, and transformation by features. Now data going to the deep learning, predictions, supervised learning, analyze, insight, human decision, action, automation, automated decision, prediction and insight. So these are the loop. For transformation of the things is data science, machine learning just predict and features just calculate, and AI this is human actions and predictions. Now relationship between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, engineering of making intelligent machine and programs. Machine learning, ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is an approach or subset of AI that is based on the idea that machine can be given access to data along with the ability to learn from it. Now definition of ML. The capability of artificial intelligence systems to learn by extracting pattern from data is known as machine learning. Now features of machine learning. First one is it uses the data to detect pattern in a data set and adjust program action accordingly. It focuses on the development of computer programs that can teach themselves to grow and change when exposed to new data. It enables computer to find hidden insight using iterative algorithm without being explicitly programmed. And another one, it automate analytical model building. Now next is introduction to AI and machine learning में third topic machine learning approach. Traditional approach versus machine learning approach. This is the traditional approach. Data and program is run on the computer, produce the output. Data and program make just execute the computer, it will return the output. Now machine learning, data and output is run on the computer to create a program. So data and output, when this is the data and output, we just go enter the computer, then write the program of a model. So these are the ML approach. Then traditional, that means we need data and program, then output will be there. Now ML, we need to data and output, that it will be create the program. So this is the approaches. Now traditional programming relies on hard coded rules. You can see that productions. So first, and problem at hand, आपके पास problem है, then code the rules. So we'll have to write the codes, but review errors we'll have to review. Okay, what is the problem actually? If code evaluate, suppose code is passed, then production will be there. If evaluation that failed, the review of the error. Once again loop is going on. Now machine learning approach. Machine learning relies on learning pattern based on the sample data. So suppose problem in and same, train ML algorithm. When you train algorithm, just training data, example x1 y1 and x2 y2, these are the training data set. X train, Y train, X test and Y test, these are the data set, and train ML algorithm. Then after evaluation, if the data pass, go to the productions, if data fail, go to the review, and loop once again start. Only one is the main problem, we will have to make the data set in machine learning. Now relationship between machine learning and data science. Data science and machine learning algorithm go hand in hand. Data science help evaluate data for machine learning algorithm. Now relationship between machine learning and data science. Data science is the use of statistical method to find the pattern in the data. Now statistical machine learning uses the same math and technique as a data science. These techniques are integrated into the algorithm that learn and improve on their own. Machine learning facilities artificial intelligence. It enable machine to learn from the pattern in data. Now machine learning techniques. Okay. Machine learning uses a number of theories and techniques from data science. Just understand the things. We have this architecture, structures, classification. Machine learning, if you want to implement machine learning, you know very well this thing. First one, need the classification of data, then categorize of the data, then clustering of the algorithm, then trend of analysis, then anomaly detection should be there. Then after that, visualization, that means a matplotlib type. Then last one is decision making, that what is the decision of the things. So these are the machine learning approach: classification, categorization, clustering, trend analysis, anomaly detections, visualization, and decision making. So friends, it is a very good technique to data science and machine learning and AI approach. So I'll guide you very smoothly and with program examples. Earlier I explained the programs before I start the machine learning. So please, this is the theoretical part, you can watch and understand the things. Now machine learning techniques. Our first part is classification. So classification is a technique in which the computer program learns from the data input given to it and then uses the learning to classify new observation. Classification, that means classification is a technique in which the computer program learn from the data input given to it and then uses this learning to classify new observation. That means we'll have to create a data input, learn about and classify the new observation. These are the part of classification. Categorization, I'll teach tomorrow. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so now we'll meet tomorrow. Then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.